Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to create a calculator in Python. So let's start. I'm going to come here and put one variable num1 equals to and then float. We need to put this so that we can convert. If we do not put this, Python would automatically think that the number inside it is a string. So we need to do this and then input. I'm going to type put first number, right? I'm going to come down and make another operator, variable. Its name is operator, and then I'm going to type no float in this because it's a string, and then I'm going to put input, put the operator, right? And I'm going to create one last variable num2 equals to input, and we need to even put the float value in this, float, right? And then type second number. And now I'm going to come here and then make a if statement. If operator equals to plus, then print num1 plus num2. If operator equals to minus then print num1 minus num2, and then we're going to do this for all the other numbers. This is a multiplication. Divide, and then it is optional, but I also want to put an modulus operator. Now, if the user puts any other number other than any other operators other than these four, we also need to put something, or else it will give an error. So I will type one else print invalid operator, right? So let's check it. Let's see if it works. So I'm going to put 65 plus 47 112, and this is not showing much space, so I am just going to come up here, do this, so it will look better. I'm going to play it. Now I'm going to minus something like 43 minus 24, 23, 20, and multiply 564 multiplied by 54 is 30,456, and divide 546 divided by 54 is 10. It's showing in float, but you can instead of float above you can also put int. But then if somebody wants to calculate in decimals, then you will not be able to show it to them. And then modulus operator 54. Sorry, this is wrong. 54 by 70, no, not 76, 32. Then it will show 22. It's a remainder, like in division. And then lastly, if we put any other number like 56 and or like this and this, then it will show invalid operator. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Be safe and have a nice day. Bye.